Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to share your Instagram highlight on PC using the new update. If you've ever wanted to send your favorite highlight to friends, post it somewhere else, or simply keep the link handy, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it loads, head down to the bottom left corner. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open your personal Instagram profile. This is the place where you can find all your posts, stories, and of course, highlights. Now, once your profile page is open, look just under your bio. This is where your highlights are displayed in those small circular icons. Select the highlight you'd like to share. This will open that specific highlight and allow you to interact with it further. At the top right corner of the highlight page, you'll notice 3 small dots. Click on those dots to open a menu of options. From the list that appears, choose the option that says Copy URL. This instantly copies the direct link to your highlight onto your clipboard, making it ready to share anywhere you like. Now that you have the link copied, you can paste it wherever you want. Share it in a message, drop it in a chat group, email it, or even include it on another social platform. The person who clicks that link will be taken straight to your highlight, making it a simple and efficient way to share your favorite collections. That's it. Just a few clicks, and you can easily share your Instagram highlights directly from your PC with this new update. It's a great way to make your highlights more accessible and to connect with others outside of the Instagram app itself. If you found this walkthrough helpful, try it out today and share your favorite highlights in seconds. Keep exploring, keep sharing, and enjoy all that Instagram has to offer.